Introducing the Anker 543 Type C to Type C cable, a 240W USB 2.0 bio-based charging solution for your devices, crafted from eco-friendly materials like corn and sugarcane. This cable is both sustainable and durable, with a 20,000 bend lifespan. It supports fast charging up to 240W, ensuring quick power delivery for your iPhone 15, Samsung Galaxy, and more. Compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices and backed by a 24-month warranty, the Anker 543 cable combines reliability with eco-conscious design. Get yours today for a sustainable and efficient charging experience.